Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making Oloyin beans, okay, or honey beans. After picking the beans, we're gonna transfer into a bowl. Then I'm gonna take this under the sink and wash it very well. Okay, the beef, onion, pepper, seasoning, salt, add some water. Then we'll just take this to the stove and let it boil. I'm going to take out the beef and set it aside. So after washing the beans, transfer it to a pot. You add the stock from the beef. Now if you don't have this, you can use water, okay? You go in some more water. Add some onion. Cover. Now take this to the stove. So I'm going to set this aside and make the sauce. So I'm going to blend 2 bell peppers and half onion. Okay. So I'll be setting this aside. Okay. Going with some red palm oil. Going with some onion. Oh my god, I didn't know the camera wasn't recording. So I already added the beef to this, okay? Going with the smoked fish. More cubes. A lot of crayfish. Add some water from the bell pepper. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I do not like spicy beans at all. That's the only food I can eat spicy, beans. Okay. Okay, so this one is ready. I'm gonna take it off and then we'll mix everything together. So all we have to do is mix, add this to this. Add a little bit of water. Okay guys, this beans is ready. Okay, so I'll be frying 2 plantains. Okay, add some salt. And then you fry it. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me to the end. Please have yourself a very beautiful day. Bye bye.